Well, hello there, and welcome to the AB Club with your girl, Stacy Renee. Now, the only thing you need to get into this club is your smart brain. You need your eyes to focus on what you're learning. You need the right attitude, and you also need that pencil and paper. Now, today in this session, we're going to be learning first grade math. And in first grade math, we're going to be learning minus. Minus. This session is going to be about minus. It's going to be about subtraction, take away, or minus. Now, again, I'd like to introduce these erasers to you. I love them. They are my magnetic erasers. They stick right to the board. I can erase. They come in all different colors. Today I got yellow and I got red. Again, parents, teachers, anybody that's listening, I got these erasers from Lakeshore Learning Center. It's a school supply store called Lakeshore Learning Center. They sell all kinds of school supplies. Anything you need to help your child understand and advance, you can get it from Lakeshore. Now, again, in this session, we will be learning minus, take away, subtraction. Minus, take away, and subtraction. Now, the very first problem is 6. We got 6 minus 1. You got 6 minus 1. Now, in math, you have to pay very close attention to the sign. This is the takeaway sign. So that means you're going to take away. Now, to solve this problem, you have to look at the top number. The top number says what? 6. Very good. You are so smart. The top number says 6. So we're going to write 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We always gonna write the lines for the top number. The top number says 6. We wrote 6 lines. Now, what you're going to do is look at the bottom number. The bottom number says the number 1. So we're going to take away 1. We're going to X out 1. So now, after you X out 1, you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is how many you have left after you take away the 1. The bottom number is 1, so we take away 1. And we have how many left? Very good. We have 5 left. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. So 6. Take away. This is the takeaway sign. It means to take away. It means to take away. I took away 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 6 take away 1 is 5. 6 take away 1 is 5. Anytime you see this sign, it means take away. Take away. We're only working on minus, take away, or subtraction in this session. I know you got that smart brain of yours on, and I love it. I love the fact that you bought those beautiful eyes of yours so you can pay very close attention to what you're going to learn today. That right attitude. What is the right attitude? It is an attitude of me sitting down, focused, and paying attention so that I can understand what I'm learning and come up with the right answer. This is called the AB Club with your girl, Stacy Renee. You are in the AB Club with your girl, Stacy Renee. So in the AB Club, we have to focus, we have to pay attention, we have to sit down so we can do our work right. Now, the next one is 3. Take away 1. Again, this is the minus sign. Minus means take away. Take away. Look at the top number. The top number is 3. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3 lines. We always look at the top number. The top number is 3. We take away 3 lines. We write 3 lines. We write 3 lines. So we have 3 lines. Now we look at the bottom number. The bottom number tells us how many we're going to take away. We're going to take away how many? 1. Very good. We're going to take away 1. Just X out 1. In first grade, they like for you to show your work. This is how you show your work. You write 3 lines. And the bottom number is 1, so we take away 1 line. So after we take away 1 from 3, we have 1, 2 left. So 3 take away 1 is 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. You got that? I know you do, because you're smart. Be proud of your work. When you turn your work in to your teacher, you tell your teacher, I'm proud of my work. When you're doing your work and somebody's helping you, your parents, your mother, anybody, I don't care who it is helping you, you let them know, I am proud of my work. I am proud of what I do. Be proud of your work. Star your best work. All of your work should have a star on it because you star your best work. So put a star at the top of all of your work because you star your best work. All of your work is your best work because you done worked hard, you done study, you done sat down, you done look, you done focus, and you came with the right attitude. And I appreciate it. Now we have 4. Take away 2. 4 minus or take away 2. Again, you look at the top number, which is 4. You're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you look at the bottom number, which is 2. So you're going to take away. You're going to minus 2. 1, 2. After you do that, you're going to count how many's left. 1, 2 left. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Again, 4 take away 2 equals 2. It's the same way with your fingers. You put up 4 fingers, take away 2, and you have 2 left. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. You always look at the top number, you write the lines of how many you have, and you take away the bottom number. Now I am going to use and drive in with my red a car eraser. Now we have 5 minus 3. Again, look at the top number. The top number is 5. We got 5. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 5 lines. Don't make them too big, again, because you need all of the rest of the room for the other problems on your paper. So you don't have to make them so big. Now, you're going to take away. That means take away. That means minus or take away. You're going to look at the bottom number, which is 3, and you're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And you count what's left. 1, 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. Is 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. You got that? I know you do. Now we're going to do 2 minus 0. All right, we got that thinking cap on. We bought them smart brains with us. So we already know this answer because we have a 0 in it. Anytime you got a 0, the answer is always going to be the number. So you got 2 minus 0. It's 2. You got 2 lines and you take away 0. So you still have 2 lines because you have the 0 in it. The 0 means the number stays the same. The 0 means the number stays the same. All right. Our next problem is 4 minus 1. Now, again, we're going to look at the top number. The top number is 4. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 lines Because we looked at the top number. This sign is minus. We paid attention to the sign. Look at the sign. The sign is minus. The sign is take away. So we're going to take away 1. And we're going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3. 3. 4, take away 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Very good. Now, our next problem is 5 minus 2. Again, we're going to look at the top number. The top number is 5. We're looking at the top number. The top number is 5. The sign, we pay very close attention to the sign. The sign is minus. That means take away. Minus. Minus means take away. So we look at the top number, which is 5. So we're going to write 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you look at the bottom number, which is 2, and you're going to take away 2. And then you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus or 5 take away 2 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. Very good. Did you notice how I could use my red? I could use my red eraser sometimes, and I could use my yellow eraser sometimes. I love it. We are doing first grade math. M-A-T-H. Spells math. Math. M-A-T-H. Is math. I'm going to use my yellow eraser. Yes. Okay, now, here we go again with 2 minus 0. Again, we got our smart cap on. So we already know the answer is just 2 because of the 0. We got the 0 in there, so we're just going to bring our number down. So we got our brought our brains, our smart brains with us. So we're just going to bring the 2 down. Very good, because it has the 0 in it. Now, we got 4 minus 1. We're going to look at the top number. The top number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to look at the bottom number. The bottom number is 1. So we're going to take away 1 because here's the takeaway sign. Here is the minus sign. That means take away. It means to minus. So we got 4 minus 1. And we're going to count. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 left. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Very good. Now we're going to do another one that says 5 minus 2. Now, 5 minus 2. We're going to look at the top number is 5. The very first thing we're going to do is look at the top number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to look at the sign. The sign is take away. So that means we're going to look at the bottom number, which is 2, and we're going to take away 2. And then we're going to count how many's left. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. You got that? Very good. I know you do because you brought your smart brains. You brought those eyes so you can focus and pay attention. You brought the right attitude with you so that you can receive, so you can understand what you are learning. Very good. Thank you so very much. Now we have 6 minus 4. 6 minus, this is the minus sign. So we look at the top number, which is the number 6. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we're going to write 6 lines. We wrote 6 lines, and we're going to take away how many? 4. Thank you so much with your clever self. We're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We took away 4 because the bottom number is 4. The sign is take away. So we are taking away. So 6 minus 4 is 1, 2. We have 2 left. 6 minus 4 is 2. That look like a Z, so I'm going to make it look like a 2. 6 minus 4 equals, this sign right here is equal sign. That's what that means, equals 2. You got 6 fingers, you take away 4 of them, you'll have 2 left. You got 6 lines, you take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and count 1, 2 left. 6 minus 4 equals 2. In this session, we are doing subtraction. We are another word for take away and another word for minus. Because you hang out at the AB Club with your girl Stacy Renee, you know how to do subtraction. You know how to do first grade subtraction. Okay, now we have 2 minus 1. Look at the top number, we got 2. 1, 2. We look at the sign, it says subtract. We got subtraction, take away, and the bottom number is 1. So we take away 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now, let me do this. The problem is 2 minus 1. Now, I have 2 erasers. 1, 2. And I'm going to take away 1. How many erasers do I have left when I take away 1? I have 1. Very good. So 2 minus 1 minus, this is the minus sign. This is take away. We started out with 2 erasers. And we taken away 1 eraser. So 2 take away 1 leaves us 1. 1. Very good. You see how we can use these erasers in with our lesson? Excuse me. So now we're going to go to the next one. 3 minus 2. Look at the top number, 3. The top number is 3. 1, 2, 3. The sign is minus, take away. So we're going to minus, we're going to take away. The bottom number is 2, so we're going to take away 2. So we have 1 left. 3 take away 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. This sign right here, this line, means equal. If the teacher say, matter of fact, she ain't even got to ask you. Just say and tell your teacher, I know this sign right here means equal. That's what that means, equal. That's something I learned at the AB Club, hanging out with my girl, Stacy Renee. Equals 1. Very good. All right. You got 6 minus 5 equals. This line right here means equals. 6 minus 5 equal. You got 6. Look at the top number. The top number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You look at the sign, it's take away. This sign is take away, minus. And then you look at the bottom number, which is 5. This is 5. So you're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have 1 left. 6 take away 5 is 1. 6 take away 5 is 1. You always look at the top number. The top number is 6. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. And then you always look at the sign so you know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to do. So you're going to take away 5. Look at the bottom number and it tells you how many to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 6, take away 5 is 1. Very good. Now we got our thinking cap on and we're going to put 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. Now, we don't have to do this problem because we brought our smart brains with us. And when we bring our smart brains, we know that the answer is going to be 5. Why? Because of the 0. We have a 0 there. So we're not going to take away anything. Because we have the 0, the number stays the same. So we got our smart cap on. We got our smart brains. We brought them with us. We got the right attitude and we got our eyes focusing, paying attention. So we already know that anytime we see a 0, we just bring it down. We just bring it down. Yes. Now, let's do another problem. 4, take away 3. You got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. You got 1 left. 4 minus, take away 3 equals, this is an equal sign, 1. Now, I want to write it the way they got it in the book. They got it that way, and they got it this way. 6 minus 2, and they got the equal sign, and then they have a line. It's the same thing. Look at the first number. When it's wrote like this, straight like this, look at the first number. The first number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to write 6 lines because you got the number 6 here. This is your minus sign. This is your takeaway sign. Pay very close attention. This sign right there, it tells you exactly what to do. You're going to take away. This number right here tells you how many you're going to take away. You're going to take away 2. Now you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, you put it on this line. Just like that. Now let's do another one. 1 minus 0 equals, and then it has the line. 1 minus 0 equals, and then it has the line. The first number is 1, so you put 1. But we're not even going to put 1. Why? Because we have 0. We got our smart cap on. We've been focusing in, and we've been paying attention. We brought the right attitude, and so that we can sit down and pay attention. That's the right attitude. So 1 minus 0 is 1 because we have a 0. So we've got our smart brains. We brought them with us to class. So we brought our smart brains. And it's 1 because that's the number right there. 1. Very good. I love it. I love the fact that you are so smart, that you are intelligent, that you sit still, that you pay attention to what you are learning. You let your teacher know, and your parents and anybody that you talk to, you tell them, I'm smart. Did you know I was clever? Yes, they did. They know you clever. Because you've been hanging out with your girl, Stacy Renee, at the ABClub. At the ABClub, you go there just in case you have trouble with math. You go to the first grade ABClub, and you learn how, you be tutored so you can learn how to do your math proper. I go to the ABClub because I already get good grades, and I'm working on, I'm in the first grade, and I'm working on the second grade math. I'm looking at the second grade math. I go to the second grade math ABClub. I go to the third grade math ABClub, and I learn how to do second grade math and third grade math, but I'm only in the first grade, so I can stay ahead of the game. So when I get in second grade, I'm going to be one of the smartest ones in the class because I go to the ABClub and I hang out with my girl, Stacy Renee, and she teaches me first grade math, second grade math, and I'm only in first grade. I'm already learning second grade math and third grade math because I went to the video that says second grade math, even though I'm in first grade. I got first grade math, so I'm learning second grade and third grade. When I get into that class, I already know it. So I'm ahead of the game. So now we got another one. 5 minus 4 equals, there's the line. Now you got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus and 4. So 4 tells you 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got 1 left. There you go. That's how you do that. There you go. Now, thank you so very much for coming to first grade math. In this educational video, you learn how to do subtraction. You learn how to do takeaway. You learn how to do minus. First grade math. First grade math. Thank you so very much for bringing that smart brain of yours, for bringing those eyes to pay attention, and for bringing the right attitude so that you can understand what you're learning. So I ask you, the next time you come to the Stacy Renee Club, the AB Club, and hang out with your girl Stacy Renee, bring a friend. Thank you.